Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet, and today I am coming at you guys with a very simple oat milk recipe. Yes, oat milk. If you guys have been around here for any amount of time, you'll know in my older videos when I first started YouTube that I did mostly vegan content. So this is a vegan friendly, plant friendly, or plant-based oat milk, so at home, and it only took, like, literally guys, with the straining that all happened that I left in the video, guys, for your guys' enjoyment, because I spilled it everywhere, but with that straining process, I think it only took me like 3-4 minutes, maybe 5 at the most, and we got this cool thing of oat milk. And I did go ahead and add in a can of coconut cream that we had. Let me let the dog out real quick. Okay, sorry, that was the dog. I had to let her out. The clicking in the background is our Shih Tzu's nails. Okay, anyway, what was I saying? Okay, yeah, so I had a can of coconut cream that I added into this just to make it a little bit more creamier, and because I needed to use it before March. It was going to expire and it's February. So anyway, this video I actually filmed today and I'll be uploading it today, so this is as real time as we can get, guys. So I did so good. I got ahead in my video schedule and then I got kind of behind, so that's what today is going to be a really short video. But I am also going to make me a iced coffee at the end, so stick around. Okay, so I spilt a lot and the baby finished eating towards the end of making it, so it got kind of loud. So I guess voiceover or no voiceover at this moment. We are in the middle of filming this right now, so I don't know what I did. So go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what we did. Did we do a voiceover or did we not do any voiceover and just try the music in the background? So we are going to go ahead and make our iced coffee now with our oat milk. I try to have my thing over here, and I guess I can't. Okay, so I brewed some coffee earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to my cup with ice. This is my cup I've been using for a while, and the whole family is actually using it now because it's one of these ones with the lids. So I need to see about getting a couple more of those, but I think for $1 they have worked very well, and we've kept them around and no cracks so far. So anyway, they came in a 2-pack as well, so I haven't touched the other one. So I just added a little bit of sugar in the bottom into there, and then our oat milk. Go ahead and try to show you guys and try not to spill. So, and I shuck it up. So, oh, look at that. There's the spot right there. Oh, there we go. I was trying to get that groovy pour, but you know, I am trying to pour and not spill at the same time. I've been having some issues with some of like the normal things I do. It's funny because a nurse saw, one of the nurses I work with saw a little thing that I've been doing. It's like a little noise, and when I get cold I do like a little noise, and you guys have probably seen it in the video, but this nurse had never seen me do it, so I had to explain to her, you know, it's alright, it's just something I do. And like as I'm holding this cup, it's kind of hard to hold it to show you guys, so I'm gonna stir down here. If you guys are wondering what happened to the pulp from the video, the pulp is back here. It's still on this cheesecloth. It is drying out, so I can go and put it in the compost. I don't want it to be soaking wet, so I just put the grounds from my coffee this morning right on top too, because I'm going to take it all out at the same time. I have my compost container outside right now because it's nice. It actually is like 73 today, so I think in the next couple of days I'm going to have to bring it back inside. And of course I need to do dishes and everything, but yeah, so I'm going to let that kind of dry out a little bit. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the microphone. I'm gonna let that dry out a little bit and then go throw it in the compost outside. And we're gonna have another compost update for you guys here pretty soon. I'm gonna do that quarterly. So the next quarter would be at the end of March, the beginning of April. So we'll have another garden video, guys, for you guys. Okay, anyway, back to iced coffee. I'm so scatterbrained right now. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more sweetener, but it works just fine. It's nice and creamy. I can taste the coconut. I used to be allergic to coconut, so it's really cool to actually have some coconut. But the oat milk itself, it's nice and creamy and everything, and I could taste the separation of creaminess from the oat milk creamy and the coconut milk creamy. And then I didn't soak my oats overnight, or I didn't soak them for any amount of time. You can soak them, and then there's recipes online that say non-slimy. This is not slimy. I don't know if it's when you soak them that they become a little slimy, so I don't know. This is not slimy yet. The baby had some with her milk. I poured a little bit into her milk this morning for breakfast so that it wasn't overpowering with the coconut milk and the oat milk for her, because she's never really had coconut milk or oat milk, so she liked it. And yeah, so that is where I will leave this video right now. I will take my coffee and go sit down and do some work with the YouTube stuff, edit this video. So I'll see you guys up actually right as soon as I finish editing this video. Very scatterbrained, and try to work on the next video so that we have one for Friday. So do you guys like these little shorter little videos right here? Let me know. There's a couple of these little videos I want to do. I meant to do a video on Monday, and I just got so run down from work. That's another video I'll be doing coming up, is my 2021 CNA review. So anyway, if you guys want to know a little bit more about that, because I feel like I'm just so tired for like a week after work now. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, stick around the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't know what it's going to be, but it'll be fun. So we'll see you guys next one. Bye.